Y'all niggas recording the beat flag. These niggas don't want it. See, now the camera's on, so the black guy acts different. Run it. Run it. Run it. Run it. Jordan! Oh, that's light. Hurry up, come quick.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He's missing. He's serious? Come quick, come quick. Yeah! No,
I would catch the ball every single time. They suck.
We're doing 2 flags up because we got to go.
Dada, Mama.
Oh!
Mama. Mama.
You want to record?
Yeah.
Do it again.
What?
Throw them the ball.
Now that I rewatched the video, both of them dudes was pushing. Jesus. Look at her.
Zayda, te me vas a caer de allí.
Whoever catches it wins.
Only 5 more throws and that's it.
Alright. Yo, let's go. Whoa!
Oh! He almost head topped you right now.
Let's go. Throw it up.
AJ? Oh, that's too short.
Oh my god!
Oh. AJ's like -3 right now.
Yo, that's what I mean!
What do you got, 5? 2 and 2?
Yeah. I had 3.
Oh, you won then.
One more.
Nah, it's game.
One more.
Game. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video. Like we said, welcome back to a new video. Like we said, we wanted to start like recording more. As you can see in the beginning of the video, Joe was playing football with his little brother and his little brother's friends.
Yeah.
That was fun to watch.
They pretty much grew up together, so.
Yeah, they did.
But yeah, we got some stuff to do for tomorrow. We gotta go make tomorrow fun because tomorrow at the beach is supposed to be like 6 degrees, so it might not be too hot or like beach weather. But we've been planning it for like a week already, so we're like, might as well stick with it.
We're just gonna bring you guys along on like little things that we're gonna get at the store right now. It's currently 7:50. We have to go to sleep early because we're leaving at 7 in the morning tomorrow. But we're gonna go to Walmart and we're basically just gonna get like little toys, like you know the little sandbox toys. That way they can like play with it in the sand. If she likes sand, last time we took her, we'll insert a little clip of her picking her feet up. She does not like touching sand at all. So we're gonna see how she likes that. But yeah, we're gonna get her some little toys. I want some watermelon, so hopefully we get some watermelon. Joe's friends are taking like their own things. We're gonna play like volleyball. I've seen a couple games that we can play, so hopefully like it's not too cold where we're like shivering and don't want to do anything. But yeah, and then we're gonna have dinner out there later. That's pretty much it. So yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along, and yeah, we'll see you guys when we're at Wally World.
Tinkle little star. Tinkle little star.
And it's cold, probably because we just ate that jumbo jet. That jumbo,
What?
that jumbo, I ate the. I think the thing that has dairy.
Yep. Then you didn't. Are you saying oh shit?
Dude, she says something spider, but it sounds like she says pinchy spider. But what did she say?
I think she went to say little spider.
Yeah, but she goes pinchy spider, and it sounds like she says pinchy, like fucking, like in Spanish, you know what I mean? So it sounds like she says fucking spider.
Hold on tight, baby. You're tall enough now. You're tall enough. Before you were slipping. Say, excuse me.
Sorry, sir.
It's okay. You're good. Yeah, say, excuse me, Zay. Alright, so me and Yesenia came to Walmart to see what games we could take to the beach tomorrow. We found 2 of them, so hopefully they are fun.
Hopefully we play them.
Yeah, one's her idea, one's mine, so you can show them your idea.
So my idea that I've been seeing a lot of people play at the beach is cup pong, and they're basically like big old like buckets, and you just literally play like beer pong. And if you guys know Joe, that's Joe's like #1 game. So this will be pretty cool. I think we're gonna get the red and blue one though, not just all red. That way we could like switch it up and not have all one color. So I'll probably get the red and blue one, and it comes with a little plastic ball. But yeah, this one was my idea. And then if you know, we had to get Zay her little bucket of like toys. That way she could play in the sand. So this is Zay Joe's games. Joe said that he's seen it. It's been popular for a while already, and it's called Spike Ball. All I know is I'm about to beat everybody at this game.
She's on something.
Yeah, so basically you just throw the ball like in the middle, and it's like player 1 and however many, and like every time the ball goes in the middle, you're just supposed to hit it. Joe can explain it. Correle, 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 correle. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna. Joe, you're fucked up. Right. Her hair.
This way. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We say good morning. We're just getting stuff ready for today. For the games right here. Sorry, my trunk's kind of dirty. Say good morning, Zay.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I was
early.
I was gonna say welcome to new vlog, but we already started this yesterday. So I woke up at 6 in the morning, well 5:30. Joe woke up at 6. We're running a little late, so yeah, we're gonna leave right now to Santa Cruz and just bring you guys along. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna stay on the beach for a little bit, then maybe walk the boardwalk. It's kind of cold, so I don't know who's telling how long we're gonna stay on the beach, but
we'll see. I'm trying to watch game 7, so
yeah.
see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe 4130 for you.
Thanks.
We were hungry, so we stopped by to get some Starbucks and those baños. We're on those baños, right? What happened?
No, we're on Chiranos. I don't know what that is.
I got a double smoked bacon, egg, and cheese. And then Zay loves that one, so I got her one. Well, she only had it once, but she really liked it. She was eating mine. I got 2, she got 1. Joe got his egg whites. Chella got...
What comes once a day, but leaves every morning?
What comes once a day, but leaves every morning?
Come on, do the customer. You're looking, cheater. Sun's right there. Yesenia is about to chug. Oh, that was cool. That was cool.
Green tea with a buzz bomb.
Zay, go back in the car. You can't see this.
I suppose we can warm up. It's warm right now. Okay. We'll get us warm with this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Yesenia is not checking that.
What you got in there? Because I got a big ice check.
Okay, child.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Wow, the little sister beat both of the big sisters.
That was good, Charlie. That was really good. It's cold.
Zay.
Nice.
Do a little dance. Do a little dance.
Oh, shit.
What's funny over there?
That's so cute. You just got that for her?
Go sit down, mama. Go sit right there.
She's like, why is the ground moving?
have to go get water. Where the drinks at?
Where the drinks at?
Are you drinking?
What the heck? I'm not drinking. Where the drinks at?
Hurry up and shoot.
Might as well.
Come on.
Watch your elbows.
Elbows.
Damn. That was close. Hey, who made the red? Who made the other one? Oh wow. Yeah, yeah.
One till I got good.
Alright, y'all. So this game here was so hard. I'm not sure if it was set up right, or if we wasn't hitting it right, or if the ball was flat. It seemed to be fun. Like, I'm sure if we got a hang of it, it would be lit. But we just could not get a game. We could not get a roll.
That way.
They're not playing anymore.
Violation. Have a couple drinks. I don't want to be doing those energy drinks.
See you get back to her. Ready?
But we kept trying. We didn't give up. We tried like 20 times. We even got to a point like, is this the real one? But it is the real one. And then we thought maybe it was a net, wasn't tight enough. So we tried to even tighten the net. That didn't end up helping. So then we just gave up. And then we went to volleyball. Watch this.
And you guys are
Kassim?
Is that,
Have you seen Kassim?
is that good?
Man, did you hear her calling her baby? She was like, baby, baby. And I'm like,
God, that's
you're
a little too
baby.
deep in
She's
the
not baby.
bag.
You're baby.
What's the positions to this shit?
Two back, two front. I guess we'll have one like in the middle.
You want to play middle? Oh, okay.
We get the ball back, right? And then point only counts when you serve, right?
Yeah, up to 21.
God damn.
Hey, have you played volleyball before? Oh, okay, cool. Has she? She too? Oh yeah, we not losing. Yeah. But I was like, damn, because it's harder in the sand. Where we at? Where we? Oh, me? Oh shit. Yeah, it's deep. It's not even, but it's fine. No, it's good. It's now. It's cool now. Whew. Damn.
Really, nigga?
Now you gotta play a little bit back. Just play a little bit back.
It's all right. They can't hold us. All right, here we go. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Here? Here?
Get that, Joe.
I'm him. I'm him. There we go. Let's go. Thank you for being honest. That's you. Nice. That's you?
She's so right. You just got off.
Oh, nice. Nope. Good shit, baby. Let's go. Hey, it's a good day. It's a good day out here. Feels better. Feels a lot more better.
I love getting some
Sunblock.
There's no reason you were here. She's drunk.
We need a new server. It's a left shot. You got it. Hey, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, see your shoes untied.
Aim for Joe. Aim for Joe.
Yeah, and for me. Up high. There you go.
And to the left.
Damn, you suck. Come on, I gotta go home soon. Game 7's today. There it is. Bend your knees. Oh, there you go. Oh!
Wait till they see this.
They think I suck.
It's cold as fuck, huh?
It's hot. Hey, hey, hey. Aim for me, yeah. I'm about to spike it on you. Who Mike Jones? Hey, Cello tried to help. Got hot out here. It's supposed to be 60 degrees. It's more than that. 11 to 5 or 6? 6. There it is. Oh! That would have been nice if someone dove. Hey, Cello, does your back hurt? Who's that? There it is. Oh! I got it. Oh! That's you. Soft spot, I seen that. I don't do this. Let's go, baby. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is, there it is. There we go. There we go.
Go!
Oh.
Go!
Oh.
No!
Look at each other like, you get it.
Because she was ready, she was getting ready. She was like, Joe. I was like, damn. I'll lick it off, you're good. Who's that? There we go. There we go. It's the nails. Oh. That wasn't me, bud.
12-7?
Yeah.
I'm about to spike you right now. This way, this way. Oh, I believed in it. I believed in it. Oh! Oh! Hey, good dog. That's what I'm talking about. Good work. Who is it? Me? Oh, yeah. I gotta redeem myself. I gotta redeem myself. You guys ready? Spike that shit. Good job, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. That's couples work right there.
13.
I know the weak spot. Let's go, let's go. That's you. Good shit. I know the weak, let's go! I'm over here picking on my girl. I'm picking on my girl. Weak spot, weak spot. Oh! How bad? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Ah! Let's go!
Hey, is that game or y'all want to switch?
Woo!
Careful, mama.
Ready? Game point.
What did I say? I'm spiking. He called me Spike Lee out here. That was a good one, don't lie. Oh.
I've always wanted to be mic'd up. This is my time to shine right here. I'll just be breathing hella heavy to the
Oh, yeah, there we go. I'll see you in the clip.
I don't talk to the opponent. No, I'm sorry. Oh, the story times. Those are all true, by the way. Those aren't fake.
I could have brought hella alcohol. My girl had hella alcohol from work. Yeah, she was like, take this, like, please. We have like hella packs in her trunk. Yeah, and then I know, I wanted her to come. I was like, all right, let's fucking get it. Sorry, we took it the first game, but you know what they say? 2 L's make a dub. I don't think that refers to what we're doing right now, but I'm gonna say it anyways. 2 L's make a dub. We're out here.
What's your team today?
I think our team's pretty stacked. We took an L the first game. You know what they say, 2 L's make a dub. I think that refers.
Make a dub.
Yeah.
All right.
I almost got arrested coming on the beach today with my shirt off because I had too many cuts. You know what I'm saying? All these guns, you know. Now we have a good team. I think we need to communicate more. We need to set people up. There's only one guy that can jump over credit cards, this guy right here. Yeah. And we're gonna come out victorious.
Victorious?
Victorious, yeah. What about you? What's your game plan going into game 2?
We're just gonna win. That's all we got. We're just gonna win.
All right, thank you for your time. They don't know that I was just playing around the first game. All right, no around. One straight try. I've seen a big guy jump this high before. It's gonna be crazy. I got the eye of the freaking tiger right now. Oh shit! Just drops all her drinks. We lose that one or we won that one? Lost that one? Damn. If you guys know any pro volleyball players, leave it in the comments below. I can't name one pro volleyball player. Joe said there's a pro volleyball player named Colby J. I thought that was. Oh, you're over there. I can't jump that high. I'm turning up now. It's turn up time. It's us.
Yeah. It's her nap time's over.
All right, here we go. Oh. Nice. No! You sold us. No! We got a bunch of fighters on this side. Everybody throwing this. The ball was in the air. She's walking up like. Go. No. Why you don't want to get ran over? Next time, just run her over. We're gonna get us a point. All right, yes, she's gonna show her talents now. As the best volleyball player in Santa Cruz, California. The crowd's on their feet. I hope she doesn't hit me. There we go. Nice. She's ranked #1 in her class right now in volleyball tournaments. That's just a sample of what she could do out here. You guys should see her helicopter serve. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. But whatever works. Oosh. All right.
Yeah, do something with it. Shoot it, mama, shoot it. Right there. No, you got shy or what?
Wow. Bad driver. You ready?
At this point, I feel like my girl was having the most fun. My daughter was tripping.
She's laughing. She's laughing. Oh shit, she didn't like that. She didn't like that. Oh my god. She is not liking it.
What the hell?
so funny.
You're good. Let's go, Manny D. Mandeli. You already fucked up, bud. Yeah, you're flipping right now, buddy. Where do you get this strategy from? Who gave this idea? You got it, bud. You're close. Hey, make him laugh. Say something hella funny. Say something hella funny. Hey, don't fart.
What's good, y'all? So we went to did some rides with Zay and then played some games. Well, I didn't really play any games, but just a few. But right now we're at Pizza My Heart. So I'm going through the back way. She's having a salad.
It's crazy, Jimmy Butler's not even going on. It was Tony Martin that's going on.
He's the best in the league, isn't he?
What if we look up the shirt and he had like 209 tattooed on his stomach?
Dang, I'll be tired.
Alright guys, so we are leaving right now. Everybody's toasted. We might get a hotel and stay because it's just none of us want to drive back. And yeah, so we're gonna get a hotel. Probably just chill, maybe get some card games. I don't know. But yeah, everybody had a good time.
Miami, we all burned.
I know.
Check out the nose. Nothing is happening on the sun. Oh, hold on. Brace yourself. Skadoosh.
Damn, not my lip, damn.
Jesus.
Red Lobster.
Yeah.
Cherry tomato. It's better than the dough. Better than the sign. What do you say? My mom's name burned off.
Well, we getting a hotel.
Ooh, dang, she thirsty. She woke up thirsty.
The reason why I wanted to stay is because we're tired to drive. Go to my house 2 hours away though. That's why you asked me how far I live here, huh?
That's why I asked. You didn't tell me.
I think I said like 2 hours 20 minutes.
Oh, you did tell me.
Marty thought that we were, so we want to get a hotel here and stay, but Marty thought we were going to go all the way back to our house, which is like 2.5 hours away. We're in Madeira, they're in Stockton, so
Don't add up.
oh my god.
What's good, guys? So we are at a hotel because we didn't want to drive all the way home. Say what's up. We can do it. At with Target, we decided we were gonna stay here. We didn't want to drive.
And
With
we're in
Target.
pain because we're so summer. I know I said that earlier, but we're like in pain. And I haven't worked out, so I need to get back to the gym because I know I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow.
Jesus.
Like so sore.
Yeah, we played. Say hi.
I want to go straight home.
Say how are you?
Daisy had a good day.
Yeah.
So I had wore a jersey of Miami Heat jersey D-Way. Now I have a whole jersey. You put it on me.
Yeah, he's very.
So
he has a really bad.
this is hers. Hold on, baby.
So I have it on my stomach because I'm white as heck, and then like just like.
Oh yeah, you're red. You're like red.
Like, do you guys see that? This one looks so bad.
That might blister.
But it was really fun. Like honestly, like it's crazy because like normally, like especially when I go to town, I'm always on my phone. I literally barely posted. I wasn't really on my phone. We were literally just like in the moment, and then I was like,
we kept her busy though.
yeah, like it was cool because we got the cut pong. I think Joey played a little bit of that. We also got Spike. Barely played that, and then we played volleyball like the whole time. So I just can't wait till we go home, relax, be lazy, unwind, breakfast in bed, dinner in bed, Lunch is in.
She's tripping. She's tripping. But yeah, so we're at the hotel. This is kind of our closeout video. So if you didn't get to like this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what beach we should go next. What beach?
It was heck of fun. But alright guys, we'll see you guys on our next video.
Peace.
Money.
Cheese.
Oh, money.
You got money? Showing the money?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell them we going home.
Oh.
We going home. Say finally. LeBron James.
Para mi corazón.
She was like, what the heck? Damn. One thing Zay always does is take off her shoes and socks when she gets in the damn car.
She's a baby.
She's looking at me right now saying, no sock. She wants to take it off. She's trying to. You want to take it off? Okay, go ahead. That's okay, go ahead. Go ahead, take it off. Ooh. Take that one off. Hurry up. Yeah. What the heck? That's your feet?
Yeah.
That's your toes?
Yeah.
What the heck?